Okay, so in this section we'll see how to work with the driver side, and first we'll see how to assign a driver or verify a driver, and then how does the order works. Okay, all right, so now I'm here. This is my driver app. I'm going to log out first over here, and now over here I'm going to do a new driver over here. Okay, happy carrier. Okay, like this one, and then here I'm going to have an email address. So here I'm going to have it like this. Any email address is okay. And I'm going to type in the password, and then let's go ahead and register. Okay, right, it says that user created successfully, and then if we go ahead and try to log in, let's see what goes on. All right, and then over here, oops, you are not a driver, please register as a driver. Okay, so we need to fill up our information. Okay, now ignore that message. So here I can say, okay, I choose a bike, and then it's a vehicle number, say X. All right, and then over here say password is whatever. Okay, so these are passport number and drivers and everything. Now let's submit. Okay, right, so we have submitted this information, and then if you come over here and try to log in again, and we'll see what goes on. So over here we're gonna type in our password one more time, and then let's go ahead and do, and here it says that so your application is being verified. Okay, so this is one thing, that how does the verification works. Now in general, the email that you have used, you should be getting a ID, okay, where it says that your verification, you can do the verification and log in. But actually we don't want to do it like this. So whatever is being done over here, now we can come to our admin panel over here. Now this admin panel here will say driver section. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this, and okay, it's active and pending. So this is the driver that we have actually registered. Remember, this was our vehicle number. Okay, if you remember earlier, I put an X. Okay, now the status is pending over here. Now let's go ahead and click on this, and over here you can go ahead and accept it. Okay, right, so this is the one way to work with this. So let's go ahead and accept, and if you click on this, you'll see that this guy with X is active. But of course, if you want, you can disable that. Okay, now let's go ahead and try to log in, and then we're gonna come over here. So here, sorry, it was not that one, it was this, and then over here I'm going to use this and log in. Okay, so this time we'll see that we have successfully logged in, but we don't have any orders, this and that, nothing is there. Okay, right, now there's another way to activate it if you didn't buy the admin panel, if you just bought the other way. So to other way activate it, we need to go ahead and work on our Studio 3T. So let's go ahead and open it up and make sure that you can access your MongoDB database from here. And then I'm going to select on this, and then over here you will see that we have a table which is called drivers. Now this one contains all the registered drivers, and this is the last driver that we have registered, and here it says that verified. Okay, but what you can do, like if you want, you can actually go ahead and say, for example, from here we log out. Okay, anyway, now of course if I want, I can also go ahead and change this one over here. So here it says verified, so I can change it to pending. Update it, and then if you come over here and try to log in this time, it'll reject you. Okay, so let's go ahead and work on this. Okay, you got it, right? So this is the other way to directly change it from database. Now let's come to our admin panel. If you do come over here, pending status, let's see. Okay, so this is the guy one again, one more time, so I can accept him. If I do that, and if I refresh the database, it's going to change it to verified, as you can see. So this is the other way that we can go ahead and work on this. Now anyway, so let me go ahead and register, sorry, login. So here I'm going to log in using this one, and then over here let's go ahead and work on this. All right, now this is our user app, so I'm going to make a place over here. I'm going to order a new food. Say for example, I'm going to order this one, this order and deployment. Okay, right. So here I'm going to type in anything that I like. It doesn't really matter. So order has been placed, we see it here, and on the restaurant side we also see. Now this is the order, which has amount of 68 USD. Now if you do come over here, if you see that orders, and here we'll see that the orders, I think the order is this one actually, 68, as you can see. Okay, so this is the placed order, but and then if you come to the restaurant side, of course we need to update it. So over here, as you see that spicy chicken burger, if you click on this, you know that okay, I had 5 of them, and these are the things that I have selected. Anyway, so this is the latest order, but of course now if we come to this guy over here, nothing is visible. And then if we do see that my orders, none is pending, and then this is the latest order that I made over here. Okay, so as you can see, 68 USD. All right, so anyway, now here this order, these are the new orders that have been made to a restaurant. As you can see, none is preparing. So what I could do, I could go ahead and click on this, and I can say accept the order. Now if you come over here, you'll see that okay, all right, so it's not ready yet. Okay, right, so here the order is being prepared. So order is being prepared, so it's under preparation, as you can see. Now the same one, we'll see it over here that it's being prepared. Okay, now of course we see 68, but we cannot go in there, but it's under preparation, as we see over here. And then okay, most probably we don't have an option over here, so we don't know whether it's being prepared or not from here, but we know that it was under this placed, but right now it's gone. Okay, right, so from here, if you see, if you come over here, you can push it to careers. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, now if you push it to careers, of course it's gone from here and nothing is here, and it's ready. Okay, so this one is ready to be delivered. And then let's come over here, paid orders and preparing is gone. All right, so this is delivering. Okay, that this is under delivering section. And of course now anyone can accept this. If you have 10 delivery boys, all of them would be able to see, and anyone who clicks it first, they'll be able to accept it. So I'm going to click on this. Now I'm going to accept it over here. Now there's a bit of overflow, don't worry, but we'll fix that. Okay, the order has been accepted, as you can see. Now if I come over here inside this active orders, we can see that. Okay, in the active orders we do see that it's there. All right, now on the admin side we will see that it's okay, let me go ahead and refresh. looks like, okay, we need to update this one, but anyway, now of course this is not the same one we see. Okay, so over here, let's go ahead and click on this, and we know that, okay, so it's been picked up by delivers, okay, delivery boys, and I do see that, okay, these two orders are the same. Most probably I have placed one earlier, so this should be the latest one though, okay. All right, so this should be the latest one. And then if we come over here, if you click on this, we'd be able to see that. And then over here we can actually mark it as delivered. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So delivery order successful. Okay, we can see that 3-7 over here, and we also see 3-7. But and now if we refresh it on the restaurant side, picked it's gone. Okay, and if we do go there, delivered, we'll see that it's over here, the last one, 3-7. Okay, so this is the one that we have pushed. Okay, and then over here you'll see that among the deliveries, this is the one, 68 RMB, USD, as you can see. And then if we do come over here, we'll also see that it's under delivery. So the whole process has been worked out. And then over here, if we do see that our wallets, okay, total 4 deliveries, because actually I remember the earlier one was 3, because I made a new one, so that's why it became 4. So over here we do see that, and this is the driver's commission. Okay, I mean, but of course here for this restaurant there are total 4 orders, and total commission for driver is this one over here. All right, so anyway, so that's how the whole process works.